Hey guys, this is Pedro from Living from Trading, and I'm coming to you today to show you a trade that I took trading the DAX index this morning, and that gave me 340 euros in profit. But let's start to analyze how was the DAX trading before I arrived to my computer. I only arrived at my computer around this time, only caught what happened after this. But before I arrived, we had the London open session that started with this big red candle that we see here. We can see also here the increase on volumes. Every time that the London session opens, we have an increase on volumes. And before that, they were very low, and we noticed the London session with increase in volumes and also increase in volatility. You can see that the price moves much faster than it was moving before the London Open. So at London Open, the price started with this big red candle that closed under the moving averages that we use on our trading room and with our strategy. And the price made a pullback to the moving average and made a violent drop again. So this drop from here to here, it was around 65 full points, which is a huge number for DAX. And I don't know what originated this, but it was really a big drop. So the price was under this block of resistances that is formed by our moving average. So each time that it went back to the moving average, it makes a low. It comes back to the moving average and it's another pullback, makes a new low. It goes back to the moving average, another pullback, and makes a new low. It goes back to the moving average, another pullback, and it makes a new low. So when I arrived my computer around this time, I was I was trying, I was looking for shorts because I analyzed what happened before. The price was under the moving averages, making pullbacks and making new lows. So I just had to wait for a pullback to make myself. Although I was very careful because there was something here that could be causing some trouble. We have these two lows. We can extend this, and I was trying to at, at the time that I was trying to short this. The price was around here and I was waiting for a pullback, but it was feeling this support here. I didn't believe pretty much on this support. If this support didn't exist, I probably would have shorted here. But I believe that it would feel some support in this zone, although it wouldn't change the trend. So I waited for the price to go a little up, make a pullback exactly on the moving averages, and that's where I shorted my trade. I shorted right here, and then just waited for the price to make a new low, guys. This was the previous low. When the price arrived before it crossed this previous low, I already had my minimum profit locked. My minimum profit is 10 points when I'm trading DAX. And then I let the price run and I adjust my stop loss as the price runs when it breaks a previous low or a previous high. In this case, it broke a previous low. So when the price broke this low, it just starts to make a, a big run, and I each time that price fell a little bit, I adjust my stop loss, I adjust my stop loss, I adjust my stop loss, and at some point the price made a low and came back and hit my profit. I My trade closed here at this point. You can see the arrow there. So I actually got 34 points, 34 full points on DAX. This was a 5-minute trade, and my only trade of the day. I usually only trade once per day, and this is done. In a few minutes we make our day. We can then close our computers. We can then go home. We can then go to the park, go to the beach, go to be with our families. And this is what we do every day on our trading room. We wait for a single shot, a nice shot. We like to have big odds before we enter our trade, and so we usually catch a lot of trades like this. So today, in just 5 minutes, I had a nice profit, 340 euros. So ending the week the best way, and now it's time to relax and go for the weekend. Guys, if you are interested in learning more, just subscribe to my channel or contact me. Maybe you can be make part of this team, and hope you learned something with me today, and good trades for you guys. See you next video.